Can't find where to add a summary in Loom? You'll add one in under 60 seconds with these simple steps. We'll open your library, pick a video, locate the summary section, type your summary, and click to save. Let's dive in. Start by clicking on Library in the left-hand sidebar to open up your saved videos. Then, find the video you want to add a summary to and click on it to open its details. Once the video is open, look for the summary section on the page. When you spot it, click on the Add a Summary button to start writing. Go ahead and type your summary into the text field that appears. Then just click anywhere outside the box to save it, and you're all set. That's how you add a summary in Loom. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.